Skoda Auto India and Volkswagen India have silently discontinued the AutoFolding ORVMs on the Kushaq and Taigun SUVs. The feature reduction is a result of the ongoing chip shortage that has deeply affected the auto industry. Both the Skoda Kushaq and Volkswagen Taigun are built on the same platform, share several cycle parts, and roll off from the same assembly line. That's why the problem affects both models. At present, manually folding ORVMs are standard across the lineup on both offerings. The issue though is said to be temporary by the manufacturers, and the feature will be restored once the semiconductor chip shortage has been dealt with. Skoda did confirm that the dealer will be able to retrofit the feature at a later date when the situation improves. It's unclear at the moment if the chip shortage will affect the upcoming Skoda Slavia as well. Toyota Kirloskar Motor has announced that wholesales of the Urban Cruiser and the Glanza models have cumulatively crossed the 1 lakh mark. The Toyota Glanza was launched in June 2019, while the Urban Cruiser arrived in September 2020. Both models are essentially rebadged Maruti Suzuki Baleno and the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza as part of the Suzuki-Toyota partnership to share cars. The company further revealed that the Glanza clocked over 65,000 units, while over 35,000 units of the Urban Cruiser was sold since the launch. The Glanza and Urban Cruiser cater to about 66% of first-time Toyota buyers, especially in Tier 2 and Tier 3 markets. The models have helped Toyota India target younger customers at lower price points. The Glanza did particularly well for the company in 2021, registering a 25% year-on-year growth. Tata Motors has introduced ventilated seats in the first and second rows of the Safari SUV. The feature has been added to the XZ Plus and XZ-A Plus variants and is only available with a 6-seater option that gets captain seats. Ventilated seats were previously offered on the Gold and Dark editions of the Safari that are priced at a premium. The addition though makes the top variants of the Safari more value-friendly than before. A few months ago, Tata Motors also introduced an air purifier, a wireless charger, wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on the Safari, making it more value-friendly as well. Barring the ventilated seats, there are no mechanical changes to the SUV, and the model continues to come with the same engine and cycle parts.
We simply love hearing from you, so your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.